fam, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, I am out here with the SP. She is loaded up. This weekend is our trip to Nashville, so I had to come out, just test the rig really quick, just to make sure everything was kosher, make sure everything was good. Good thing I did, because as I was riding, check this out. No bueno, no bueno. So I think that I had it tucked back here and it was just not enough of the seat to grab, so I'm gonna have to start moving stuff a little bit further, or I am going to have to put this strap here way the heck back here somewhere and stretch it out this way. I'll have to figure something out with that, but that's that. And then not only that, I am actually carrying this big old thing around. I'm carrying that because that is not big enough for all of my stuff this weekend, so yay for my back. But I've been on the bike for about 30 minutes or so, and it doesn't feel too bad. It doesn't feel unbalanced. It's not, the bag is not terrible on my back right now, but like I said, I've only been on the bike for about 30 minutes or so, and I'm expecting it to get worse. Obviously, the longer I am on the bike, the worse that bag is going to actually feel. I'll show you what I have in here. It's not much. It's just I'm just doing a test, right? All right, let's see. I'm just doing a test. So what I have in here is booyah, my laptop, and then just some clothes, right? I'm just stuffing it. Just some articles of clothes there. So that's all I have in there for right now. It's gonna be a heavier load, but my laptop is probably gonna be a part of that load, so that's why I wanted to actually put the laptop in to see actually how it's gonna feel on my back. But that's it. So far so good. I'm gonna have to sit over here and figure out how to do this, because I can't ride with this being flappy like that. So I'm gonna have to figure that out here before I get going again. But yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna fix that and I'll be back with you in just a second. Alright, welcome back. She is all buckled up, and we're gonna see if this actually holds when I'm actually riding. So let's go find out what this thing can do. Get back on the bike here. Having all this gear on, my body temperature is definitely going up. It's getting hot. Let's go. So the bag doesn't feel too close where I'm not getting enough seat or enough a big enough place to sit. So alright, let me I gotta do some adjustments, man. Hold on. This is the beauty of cruise control, alright? Because I have to do some pants adjustments. I'm trying to feel where the seat bag is at in relation to where my booty and the other bag is at on my back. Yeah, I mean, there's not too much more. I can go backwards. I used to be obviously without a bag. I can go all the way back, but it's still comfortable enough. I think that I shouldn't have a problem riding an hour or two. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have a problem riding about an hour or two like this. And I can always have my cruise control on and do this number, right? And just relax and not have so much pressure on my wrists and my elbows and stuff. So I can always do this number and just kind of sit up and relax a little bit. And so far not too bad. I mean, the rig is working out pretty good. I just know that it's going to be a little bit heavier on my back because my book bag is not actually like packed up like I want it to be, so it will be a little bit heavier on my back. But other than that, I think it should work out okay. Just gonna ride some more and see how it feels on my back here. So you guys enjoy. Too bad in the lean there. Doesn't seem like it wants to get squirrely. Alright fam, that's going to do it for today's video. Just testing out my setup for this weekend. I appreciate you guys coming along. If this is your first time clicking on my videos, watching my stuff, I appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that sub button, hit the like, hit the share, and let's get this content out to everybody. We appreciate you guys again. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.